welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Since you guys must know that we have a September sale going on and everything is up to 50% off, this is the right time for you to purchase some beautiful raw silk fabrics that we have, which are in a really vast collection. So let me show you. Starting off with this really nice sale collection that I'm presenting in front of you. All of these are really beautiful lightweight fabrics that you can customize into nice lightweight kurtis, dresses or kids wear outfits too. Now here you can see that we've got this really nice light peach shade of kota fabric in front of you, and all over this you can see nice foil print that has been done in silver tones. Now this entire fabric together is perfect to recreate into a nice dupatta for your suit, anarkali or kurti, and it would give the perfect flowy and lightweight moment. Now here we've got another beautiful kota fabric for you. This one is a digital print fabric. Earlier I was showing you something that is foil printed. We've got really unique kota fabrics here for you at our sale, and if you purchase the entire thon you get flat 50% off, and in the entire store you've got up to 50% off in sarees, ready to wear and fabrics. So here you can see that it's in a nice light peach shade with beautiful digital print which is in nice roses. So the entire fabric is perfect to customize into a nice co-ord set, or even if you want to create a short kurti for yourself. Now here you can see how lightweight and flowy this kota fabric is. It's a beautiful white base tone with a really gorgeous digital print which is in a nice grey color. You can see that there is floral work and nice birds that have been printed across this fabric, and since you can take a look at how lightweight and flowy this is, it's perfect to recreate into a nice western outfit or an Indian wear outfit, be it a kurti or be it a dress. Even if you want to create a beautiful dupatta for a very contemporary look, this kind of kota fabric would be perfect for you. Now here you can see this color. It's a really gorgeous and rich shade of turquoise color. This too is a kota fabric that I'm showing you. Now this would be perfect to create any kind of royal or traditional outfits too. Even for your puja, if you want to create a nice kurti with this, or you want to create a beautiful statement dupatta, this fabric would look perfect because you can take a look at how lightweight and flowy it is, and at the same time you can see that it's got beautiful work that has been done in nice embroidery work. Now this would be ideal to create any kind of outfits of such sort, and you can also create something for menswear or kidswear. Now you can take a look at this really gorgeous shade of bubblegum pink kota fabric, and all over this you can see this nice mirror foil print work that has been done, giving it a nice mirror effect. Now this is also perfect to create any kind of outfits for your traditional wear or for any puja events or for festive season too. You've got nice rani pink shades, yellow shades and beautiful pink tones to this, and the entire fabric together is perfect. Now we've got a lot of such fabrics here at Fabric by Singhania in our September sale for up to 50% off. So if you guys want to see more of our collection in fabrics, sarees or ready to wear, we've got all of that for this month of September. Now here you can see this really nice light pink shade of organza fabric. This has beautiful applique work done across it in beautiful flower patchwork. You can see nice pearls in it and nice embroidery work too. Now we've got such fabrics in organza embroidery here at Fabric by Singhania for our sale. Now you can purchase this entire fabric for up to 50% off, or flat 50% off if you're purchasing a whole thon of a fabric. Now this one would be perfect to create any kids wear outfits for your kids' dresses or tops. This kind of fabric would look perfect on you. Now as you take a look at this cream shade of organza silk fabric, it looks just perfect to create any kind of lightweight dresses for yourself or for your kids. You can also create a nice beautiful gown kind of outfit for yourself with this kind of organza fabric. It's quite lightweight, breathable and flowy, and it would give the perfect kind of pleats if you're looking for a nice dress for yourself. So you can take a look at the embroidery work that has been done. It's in beautiful multicolor floral embroidery work, and you can also take a look at the reflective sequin work that has been done. It's not very gaudy and it's quite minimal, so it's perfect to create any kind of kids wear outfits too. Even if you're going for a minimal look, this kind of organza silk would be ideal for it. Now here we're presenting to you another nice and lightweight organza silk fabric in front of you. This has got beautiful zari and embroidery work done on it, and it's in nice colors with beautiful sequin work too. All of this is very minimally done, and the embroidery work looks really perfect and stunning. Now you can create beautiful dresses with this, a nice kurti, a beautiful anarkali and many more outfits with this kind of fabric. Now if you purchase the entire thon, you get flat 50% off on these fabrics. Now we've got so many more lightweight fabrics like this which are up to 50% off in our anniversary sale. Now here you can take a look at this fabric. It's It's a really nice lightweight flowy organza silk fabric in a very beautiful color of light turquoise shade. Now all over this you can take a look at this really beautiful embroidery work that has been minimally done across the fabric. Now this also would be perfect to customize into any western or Indian outfits on your mind. Now if you guys want to see more of this collection, you can comment below, or you can also follow us on our social media handles to know more of such sale collections. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment below for any details about our customization or collection. You can also subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media pages. If you want to see more of our sale collection, you should visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.